Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Brio freight ship and cargo. You'll have to excuse the G-scale. I'm going to be doing a couple G-scale reviews coming up, so I needed an oval and track. And I'm still working on clearing out all the space to set up my big layout, so this is kind of temporary, but I was making a bigger bridge layout for the Brio stuff. And I thought, well, this would be a good opportunity to include a cargo ship and see what that's all about. The freight shipping crane set generally runs about $30 or so. I'm based in the US, so I'm talking American dollars, of course. Whoops. See, it gets complicated when you have more trains. Okay. So, and if you got a Brio layout and you want some kind of seaports, which makes a lot of sense if you got bridges, this set would seem like a good way to go. This is Brio item number 33534. So we got this cargo vessel, of course, and we got a crane, and this is the first crane I have with modern Brio. So this is going to work with a number of things, including the lumber wagons I recently reviewed. So I'm looking forward to that. So you got a little string to raise the crane, and you just turn this and up it goes. Turn it the other way and down it goes. And then I believe we got some cargo pieces. Let's open this up and take a look. All right. Looks like we got some equipment of some kind. Kind of looks like an engine of some kind to me. Very detailed for Brio. They're identical, they're just turned different ways in this shot. See? Our cargo ship has these doors, these open and close, and exposed to cargo hold. So, put those in there. I don't think it matters which way they go. Maybe it does. No, they can go either way. Whoops. Come in with your crane that has a magnet, you lower that, you can pull, these doors will open as that comes up, just like so. I would use the crank on the crane, but I need my other hand to hold the camera, unfortunately. So how does this work with your Brio setup? How do you put all this together? Well, I will show you what I think. Got some. I'm waiting for 2 more of those Brio Super supports to come. So I haven't quite finished my layout yet. I got these straight pieces right here. So if you want to ship comes into a port of some kind, right? So maybe you got a main line over here, and you got this spur. You got some water here. And the ship comes into the port, and this is well planned in that it will fit under the bridge. Which, if it doesn't look like it, it's an optical illusion. Trust me, it'll fit under the bridge. So that's very cool. Your ship docks next to the railroad track, just like in real life. And you lower your menus back and forth on the track, which is awesome. You lower your crane. Again, I only got one hand right now, so you can bring up your cargo. Whoops. Too many trains. That's a good problem to have, though. You bring up your cargo, and maybe on another separate track right here, you got a flat car waiting for a load of equipment or something. Or that could even be attached to this. It has magnets and stuff. You can couple it to couple this to a train if you wanted to. It's heavy enough, it's not going to fall over if it's carrying a load. I like that. So yeah, overall, especially if you got a little one that because odds are, if you like trains, you probably also like big ships. You got somebody, if you got somebody really wants to have some kind of port going on, or just really likes the hustle and bustle of moving components around from vehicle to vehicle, stuff like that. It gives a whole new, what I like is it gives that kind of whole new dynamic. You're not just necessarily dealing with railroad tracks. You got a big ship you can move around. Brio does have another set with a very similar cargo ship. I think the only difference is it's red, and that's a set that comes with some track and stuff. But I really like this blue one. Not sure what the JB427 is. This is Brio on the side. I am liking the detail, not just on the cargo, but on the ship. The bottom part's wood, like a lot of your Brio products, but this is plastic up here. Big smokestack. We got little porthole windows, a life preserver. Or lifesaver, excuse me, I guess. Little setup on the back. Oops. Yeah, I do think that's a cool looking ship. And so back when I was, I'm in my 40s now, but back when I was a little guy in the 80s, they did make a ship. Brio did have a ship, but I think the way they got this working now is much better. They got a couple of different ones you can choose from and stuff. So yeah, this is a good set. So you need a couple different activities to do on your layout. You can move around cargo. You got a ship you can move around. Yeah, I think Brio did a good job with this. So again, this is Brio 33534, the freight ship and cargo. And there is my cat's requisite cameo in every single video. Bye, kitty cat. Thank you very much for watching.